So over time, when you keep on chatting, what happens is that a lot of things get collected onto your Google Chat. And if you want to search out for those messages, you can go around onto the top, and here you can see find people, spaces, and messages is an option. So if you were to go around and click, you can see immediately, you can see other users right here, and which you can use this search area to find particular users. So if I were to go around and type, you can see that that particular user has been searched out. If I were to type in something like hi and press enter, then you can see that it lists out the messages right here, just like this. You can also go around and search out for spaces right here as well. So everything inside of the text space right here. So if there's any messages are over here, anything, it'll show up when you search around from this section right here. And that is how you can use the search feature inside of Google Chats. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.